Welcome to this video guys. In this video I will explain you how to use Revolved Boss Bass to make this part in SolidWorks. So let's begin. First click on part and click OK because we are working in the part file. Here you can specify the background to plain white. Here you can specify the units in which you want to work. I want to work in millimeters. So click on front plane and click on sketch. Here select this center line guys. Trace this point and make a center line here. Make sure that it is perfectly horizontal. Press escape button and now select the center line again. Trace this point, click here and make a vertical line like this. Now press escape button. Select line and this time make a line like this and then horizontal one. And make a sketch like this is inclined and press escape button. If in case you have pressed the escape button, I am just explaining that if you have pressed the escape button yet, then you can select again the line. Then complete the sketch like this guys. Now press the escape button and select the smart dimensions. From this point to this point, specify here the dimension. I am specifying here as 6 millimeter. And then specify the length of this line as 30 millimeter. Okay, sketch is changing and now specify the length of this line as 13. Although we can change these before or after the revolved base. The distance between these two lines as 4 since they are intersecting, so let's place it here, although it doesn't matter. And now specify the length of this line 4 millimeter. We have to make sure that we have assigned all the lines the dimension. This helps a lot. And now specify the length of this line as 4. And here guys, I would like to show you something. Let's press Ctrl Z button and this is 4. Okay, so press Ctrl button on your keyboard, select these two lines and here you can make relation equal, or you can specify the line as 4 millimeter. This is your choice. Now press the Ctrl button from your keyboard, select these two lines, make relation equal. So if you have specified length of one line, you do not need to specify the length of other line. But you have option. If you want to specify the length of other line as 13 or 4, you can. But you can use this relations. How do you specify the relation? And now you can specify the angle between them as 105. Now the sketch is fully defined. As I have told you, that sketch should be fully defined, although it can work if it is underdefined. Now select here Revolved Boss Bass guys, and here this is the axis that we have to be selected. If I select this horizontal line, then this is the sketch I wanted. But if I select this vertical line, in case this can be selected, this can happen, but we don't need it. Let me show you how it's gonna look like. Select this Revolved Boss Bass and edit feature. You don't need to delete everything and do everything again. Let's specify here this axis, the horizontal line, and then check this box. And if you want to make some changes, let me just quickly specify the appearance from the start. You can go to metal, go to here nickel or any other material. Like this is optional, this is not necessary. If you want to make some changes, right click here on the part and here edit sketch, and I just want to make this 13 to 10. So that's how you can make changes. If you want to make some changes, you do not need to make everything again. And here I would like to make a plane because I want to mirror stuff to the other side. Here specify 0 because I want the plane right on the back of this thing. Select this mirror and here it is, although automatically selected, you can select it from here. If it's making some problem, then you can select this plane from here as well. I'm just telling you the option. We do not need to specify any secondary mirror or plane. In this feature to mirror window, select this body, and here you can see the whole body is mirrored about this plane that we have created. So this is a purpose of creating plane, as there is no more any further purpose, so I'm hiding it from here. And here you can see, guys, the plane is mirrored. Now select this face and click on sketch, select the circle and make a circle here. Now select the smart dimensioning tool and specify the diameter of this circle. Let's specify as 45 millimeter. Press escape button, and now select this circle and make it as construction geometry, because this circle is for reference only. Select the circle, and here you need to trace the yellow dots. This is the yellow dot, make a circle here. Select smart dimension, specify the diameter. I would like to specify 8 millimeter here because I want to cut a hole of diameter 8. Let's see how. Go to features, select extruded cut, and here specify through all because I want to make a through hole. Check this box, and here you can say this is called as through hole. And now I want 6 more circles, so I would like to go to this circular pattern. In this direction you can specify any circular edge. I will explain you later. Here specify 4. In features to pattern, just select this internal circumference. Let me explain you one more time. This is an internal circumference, and these are 4. You can make it 6, make it 10, whatever you want. And in this window you can specify any circular edge. This would work, delete. This would also work because this is circular edge, delete. This is also circular edge, it would definitely work. Just explaining you guys how to specify the edge in circular pattern. Now select this fillet tool. This is the last command in this tutorial. Here specify how much radius you want in the fillet. Although you can specify here one by one, and here this is the option if you want to specify the same radius of fillet to all edges available in the part. It really depends what you want. And let me just specify the color one more time. So that's it for this tutorial in which I have explained you the Revolved Boss Bass in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.